Welcome back again, guys. I want to say it is Chef Ricardo cooking show is amazing. I was telling someone the other day that Jamaica is really best. Basically, I want to say it is coming up to Mother's Day. Mother's Day is going to be in Jamaica. It is in May. We did put up a recipe already with Jamaican jerk fried chicken recipe for Mother's Day. We are trying to find something else we can fit into Jamaican dish for Mother's Day also. So look forward for the recipe. We want to say Happy Mother's Day when it comes, guys. My parents is from Jamaica. I got my family in Jamaica, so I want to big up every mother. If you're not here, my mother, or friend mother, I want to say Happy Mother's Day. If you're in Jamaica, if you're from Jamaica, we love every mother, and this year is going to be another best year for every mother who are in Jamaica. Well, if you're not in Jamaica, you're into a foreign country, that's fine. I want to say Happy Mother's Day because is in England they celebrate Mother's Day at different time. Every country celebrate Mother's Day at different time. So we want to say Happy Mother's Day to every mother in Jamaica. This is from Chef Ricardo and the team, and we want to say big up your mother. We love you. Get a copy of my cookbook, Chef Ricardo Caribbean Cuisine, online 50% off. Leave your comments below. Leave your comments below, guys, because it's gonna reach to someone in Jamaica. I got a lot of fans in Jamaica who watch my video. A lot of Jamaican love my cooking. A lot of Jamaica say Chef Ricardo, it's just different. So Happy Mother's Day when it comes, mothers. We love you. See you next time. Bye.